Hello and welcome to this new section on continuous learning and the first lecture of that in this course on how to become a data scientist. So in this section, we will help you learn about continuous learning, how to do continuous learning. And in this particular lecture, we will start by talking about how to stay abreast of the latest developments in data science, machine learning, and related fields to the data science. So, how do you think you can stay abreast of the latest developments? Any thoughts? See, this requires staying abreast of the latest development, data science, machine learning, and related field is important for any data scientist who, if you want to stay competitive and contribute meaningful to the industry. And there are several strategies that we're going to talk to you as we go forward that can help you keep up with the rapidly evolving landscape. So first thing is to do is to subscribe to newsletters and blogs, right? And there you need to do two things. One is data science newsletters, and in that you need to subscribe to newsletters that will curate the latest news, articles, and research paper in data science. An example includes Data Elixir, KD Nuggets, and Towards Data Science on Medium. The second thing that you need to do is to subscribe to blogs and platforms. And there you need to follow blogs and platforms like Towards Data Science, Analytics Vidya, and Medium. While practitioners and researchers often share insights, practitioners and researchers often share insights, tutorials, and case studies. Follow thought leaders on social media, and there are two ways you can do. You can follow them on Twitter and LinkedIn and participate in discussion. So follow influential figures, researchers, and organization in the field on platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. These platforms often serve as a real-time source of information and discussion. Then you need to participate in the discussion, engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your insights. Platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn provide opportunities to connect with professionals and stay informed about the current trends. Do online courses and MOOCs, MOOCs, enroll in online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, EDX, Udacity. These offer courses on various data science and machine learning topics. Enroll in courses from reputable institutes to learn about the latest techniques and tools. Get specialization certificates. Consider pursuing specialization certificates in emerging areas such as deep learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. So use online courses and books for a very specific purpose on these areas. Read research papers, and there are two places you can go to: AR 14 and research repository and conference proceeding. Now, in AR 14 and research repositories, you need to regularly check platforms like AR 14 and research repository for latest academic papers on machine learning and related fields. Many cutting-edge developments are published in the preprint form before formal peer review there. Second thing you can do is to read the conference proceeding, follow proceedings from top conferences in the field such as Neuro IPS, ICML, and ACL. Conference paper often present the latest research findings and advancements. You can also use podcast and webinars, listen to data science podcasts, tune into data science podcasts that feature interviews with experts, discussion on industry trends, and insights into the latest tools and technology. Also, you can attend webinars and virtual events where you can participate in them, hosted by organizations, university, and industry leaders. These events offer cover emerging topics and provide network opportunities. You can also join online communities, and there are two ways to do that, as you will see. One is to participate in forums, join online forums such as Reddit's data science, Reddit's r oblique data science, or Stack Overflow. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and learn from the experience of the community. You can also join specialized communities uh, related to specific tools or domains such as TensorFlow or PyTorch community for deep learning enthusiasts. Reading books and textbooks is another useful thing. Explore new textbooks, stay updated with textbooks that cover the latest concepts and methodologies. Textbooks are valuable resource for in-depth learning. Also explore practical guides. Look for practical guides in books written by practitioners that offer insights into real-world applications and best practices. Contribute to open source projects. There are two ways. One is to use GitHub repository. Explore GitHub repository for open source projects in data science and machine learning. Contributing to projects not only enhances your skills, but also exposes you to the latest developments. Collaborate with the community, with the open source community. Share your own projects, learn from the code, and contribute to others. So having looked at few things to stay abreast of these latest trends in technology and data development, what do we do next? We have more strategies coming up in the next lecture to talk about what else can you do. So stay tuned, and then we'll take a look at in the next lecture also. So thank you so much for watching this first continuous learning lecture. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy. I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions that you like me to answer for you. I'll be happy to answer them. And download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to look at.